Hello there. On behalf of Cider from Norway, I would like to invite you to our Bootcamp, which will help you prepare for the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification. In addition, we provide this certification training as a short course. You can attend the training on-site or online as per your convenience.
Everyone is welcome to participate in this certification program, regardless of their current role, including developers, administrators, business leaders, researchers, university professors, or students. Regardless of your level of expertise, mastering the fundamentals of Microsoft Azure will help you grow in your career and be ready to take advantage of all the technological opportunities Azure has to offer.
Microsoft Azure is a leading cloud computing platform used by a wide range of companies across various industries. For example, Amazon, the e-commerce giant, utilizes Microsoft Azure for various purposes, including data storage, analytics, and web applications. Azure's scalability and reliability enable Amazon to handle its massive online traffic and customer base. Netflix, the popular streaming platform, relies on Microsoft Azure to store and manage its vast library of digital content. Azure's high-performance computing capabilities support Netflix's real-time streaming services and rapid content delivery. Healthcare providers will use Azure to store and analyze patient data to improve diagnosis and treatment. Being an expert in Microsoft Azure is definitely beneficial to your career.
The primary training approach will be a hands-on workshop session with access to self-paced learning resources and labs. Check out the Cider's Bootcamp webpage to know more about the training program, syllabus, and exam details. Register today through our website and confirm your seat. In a short while, become a Microsoft certified professional.